Hey guys, welcome back to JJL Racing. Today we're going to do an update since we haven't done that since November. And today we're actually going to take the torque converter out and send it in. We'll talk about why here in just a little bit. Hang tight.
Is that a 26? 26? Dang. I think my car must have 25s.
What are you doing, Cotterpin?
So we'll do these two, a front and a rear, the front and the rear.
Are they level?
Well, we don't know if we're matching, so yeah, two that match and two that
We
match.
have four that match, we just can't figure out which.
I only have three. That one.
Here's our transmission. This is a 2-speed 400 built by Aaron Ginn. Thing's awesome. Look at the size of that input shaft. Big baby. And here's our one-piece converter, just the standard run-of-the-mill torque converter. Well, it's not stock, but we're converting this to a 2-piece converter so that when we need to change the stators, we can do it trackside if needed and not have to worry about sending it back and forth state to state. So that's why we're changing that out. So, since we're here cleaning shit up, tell me what's the benefit of having a 2-piece bolt-together converter?
So you can change your stator,
Like trackside?
like,
Wherever you want.
yeah, in the trailer on the way.
Yeah.
So that's the latest update from us at JJL Racing. And yeah, so we're getting bolt-together torque converters so that way we can change the stators as needed, if needed. Hopefully we won't be doing that too much, but if we have to, it'll make it a lot easier. Right now we're still waiting for our new motor to be coming, hopefully the end of next week. I don't know, we'll see, we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Stay tuned.